along the ceiling, straight down. My laptop, my DIY table, my DIY plant. Now let me come a bit closer for you guys. This plant was once red and I spray painted silver and gold. So this pot was red. I spray painted it silver, the stones silver and gold. So the stones hold this right here. So that's my little DIY plant there. This here, behind this is actually a door. It leads to my kids' room. It can still open. What I did was to just make a rose to hide the knob to go inside. So that is just the knob, and I put a rose over it, and I put the next one there. This is just a sugar board or chipboard. Right here is wallpaper, adhesive wallpaper. Here I created my little artwork fly from sugar board or chipboard. Adhesive wallpaper here, and right next to it is the window. This is how I keep my art supplies covered from my son. These are touches, so I covered it all. So let me just remove that. So here are my art supplies and some other things here. So here I keep some camera equipment and electrical cords that I usually need to do stuff, sponge to do some artwork, my pencils, watercolor pencils, pencil crayons, reading pens, my markers, my drawing pencils are in this here, rulers, chalk pastel. You're going to hear a lot of noise in the background. That is why I always do voiceovers, so just bear with me, guys. So here I have my paint containers here. The plug is around there. I have some wax spray in here, some oil pastels in this one. Here are some other oil pastels that I do not want to get mixed with those in here. I have my glue, tapes, staple guns, all sorts of glues in here, and plaster. Right here I have my paint brushes, my cheap acrylic paints. You know what that is. In here I have my oil paints and my acrylic paints. This is a mini easel. Here I have some other acrylic paints here, and some nail polishes that I don't use anymore. Under here I have some mini stands, some electrical cords that I don't use anymore. Oh, by the way, this is a shoe rack. So I just bought two. So let me show you the full view. This one is iron. It's very strong. It's metal. So iron or metal, anyone you want. Over here I have my spray paints. I have some scissors over here. My basically every tools are sharp tools are over here. Stapler, staple gun, tacks, paper clips, that stone. I have a stone for when I want to knock in something. Alright, so under here are my paints, an empty box, some knickknacks, Poliwax, give the dog a bone. Right here I have my books, my Bible, printer paper, etc. And under here I have some wipes, my drawing books. This one is supposed to be here, but I'm using it now, so it's here. So I can just easily pull this out and use this when I'm ready, because this is what I use mostly. These are some important documents, some of my empty canvases, my colored papers, not colored papers but sticky notes. Here is the full view of my little setup there, so it's easier to reach my art supply, so I can quickly get those paintings done or my drawings done. And beside that is my printer. So behind here I have my sugar boards, my cartridge papers, etc. Some more art supplies here. There's a lot in here, not going to go through that. Some empty containers here for when I want water or something like that, anything. And underneath it are some things that I don't usually use, so it's under the bottom. Yeah, so this is the box now. I don't really go in the box as often anymore because all my art supplies are on that side. So here I have my construction papers, some stickers, etc. in this here, and that's it. So that's my mini setup now. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you were inspired. Bye.
Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.